Facebook just approved Nigeria as one of the country that is can make money, monetization, and the rest of the thing. That's good news. But let me tell you this truth. That good news is not for everyone. No. It's like they did not tell you. You see that particular good news? It is not for everyone. You will still be in this country that they have approved monetization, they have approved to pay, but you still will not make the money. You know why? It is not open for everyone. It is open for only those that have value, those that have content to create, those that create content. These are the people that this platform is open for. So if you are a kind of person who desire to make money from this platform, then you need to be among those people that support YouTube or Facebook or any of these platforms to create content to them. So you are their business partner, you're their business associate. So if you are not a content creator, you are not eligible to make money on this platform. I think it's sinking deep, right? So you need to start creating content. If you start creating content, you are going to be among the people that are going to make money on this platform. So if you are not creating content, then you're not going to make the money. Did you get it from that angle? So the fact that they have approved Nigeria as one of the monetized country does not qualify you. It is not you that they approve. They approve the country. So in this country, do we have people that are content creators? Yes. Are you a content creator? If you are a content creator, drop one in the comment section. If you know you want to become a content creator, go to the comment section and say, I want to become a content creator. Maybe I can put in my crew. Maybe, I don't know. Yes. No, but my point is, the fact that Nigeria has been approved is not enough reasons that you're going to make money. What is going to make you make money is being able to create content. Being able to create content. That's it. So are you able to create content? If you're able to create content, you stand a chance of making money on this platform.